Hello, Darius. Nice to meet you in cyberspace. This will be some midterm video feedback for you, mostly on 3.2, but I'll look at what you posted in the discussion board this week, just in case there's any difference. I hope you're doing well. Darius, this is what I see when I open up your package. It's complete. How nice of you to collect your screenshots in a single PDF. Makes it much easier for me to see what you did. Yeah, that's a nice way. You can weave these illustrations into your final reflection so that it shows, what techniques you use, tools you use to create various effects. Here is your Illustrator file. What's nice about this is that you have embedded your image, your masked image. And does it have its various layers too? What would be really impressive is, well, of course, that would only be visible in Photoshop. But what's good about this is you have embedded the image. It makes your file freestanding and portable. Try to zoom out here so we get the whole effect. Typographically, I like it. I'm just wondering if it's a little... If you're going to group this type here like so, you need to think of it as a complete unit, and maybe resize this so that it runs out. That's larger. This is an aerial. I think we may have talked about it. It looks a little squashed or condensed, and maybe that's the intention. But I think you get the idea where I'm going with this. And if this similarly were the same size, I don't know. Even with this little type, watch your size variations. I see you have to consider the logo. So there's one size, a type, or one type of type. 1, 2, 3, 4. These look to be about the same size. So good on your restraint in not creating yet another size. I like the basic arrangement, but try others and see what you can do. This is basically a centered arrangement, but think about maybe if everything was flush left. Contact information, think about contemporary ways of reaching URLs, such as QR codes. You can create a dummy. You have used the corporate palette really nicely, but this magenta color is perhaps not the best accent color. Think about what's complementary to blue or pale blue, or complementary to purple. Yellow is complementary to purple. What's green is pale green would be complementary to blue. Pale orange would be complementary to pale blue. That's just a color suggestion. Okay, I think I'll end it here, Darius. A really nice job. It's organized beautifully on its own layers. You should have no problem adapting this to the web.